Okay, dear students, in the last class we have completed concepts which are required for 5.4 exercise, which is exponential function and logarithmic function. Okay, we have understood what is exponential function, what is logarithmic function completely with graphs. Afterwards, we have seen, not proved but seen, derivatives of logarithmic function and exponential function. D by dx of ex is equal to e power x, d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Okay, with these two we will do this 5.4 exercise. 10 questions are there. We are going to complete in this class only. Next class again we go for 5.5 concepts. Okay, see what they have given. Exercise 5.4, question number 1. Differentiate e power x by sin x with respect to x. Okay, see here, e power x has come, denominator sin x has come, u by v like you have to take. Okay, let us proceed further. See how I am doing. D by dx of e power x divided by sin x is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. That formula I have to apply. Okay, v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. Okay, let us proceed further. D by dx of u over x is e power x. E power x is e power x minus e power x into d by dx of sin x is cos x. Sin square x. Shall I take e power x common? Sin x minus cos x. Sin square x. Okay. Is it over? See, here what we have to do, you have to, what we can say, write domain. Why? Because denominator should not become 0. Sin square x should not become 0. See what I am writing. Sin x means sin x you know very well. In these two areas it is going to become 0. What are these? N pi. Okay, 2n pi, 2n plus 1 pi. Together is going to become n pi. N pi. Okay, write down. X should not become n pi. Why? Because at n pi x is 0. What is n? N is an integer. N belongs to z also you can write. Even if you write this also okay. X not equal to n pi. Why? Because f is become in n pi. In these two areas it is going to become 0 and this is going to become undefined. Okay. Let us proceed for second question. Okay. See the second question. Differentiate e power sin inverse x with respect to x. Okay, differentiation with respect to x we have to do that we know. E power sin inverse x is there. You see e power sin inverse x, that means two functions are there. Sin inverse x is one function, e power x is one function. Okay, from left hand to right hand if you go automatically e power x like you take, afterwards sin inverse x, like that you have to do. Let us do. See what I am writing. D by dx of e power sin inverse x is equal to, see what I am doing now. First of all, d by dx of e power x is e power x. Write down e power x. This is e power x. Okay. D by dx of again sin inverse x. Okay. What is sin inverse x? E power sin inverse x into d by dx of e power d by dx of sin inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Finally, what you are going to write? You are going to write like this. dy by dx is equal to, write down, e power sine inverse x divided by 1 minus x square under root. Is it okay? Is this the final answer? Yes. But what you have to write? Domain. Yeah. Why? Because x you cannot give whatever you want. X should be minus 1 to 1. That's all. Why? Because see, x if less than minus 1, greater than 1 means again a root will not come. Real root. That is one thing. Second one. If minus 1 or 1 comes, automatically this is going to become 0, undefined will come. That is why that should not be less than or equal to minus 1 or greater than or equal to 1. That should be between minus 1 and 1. Okay. Like this you write and close. Shall we go for third question? Okay. See the third question. Differentiate e power x cube with respect to x. You see here e power x cube. Okay. Let us proceed. We know very well. First you take e power x cube as e power x. Like that you do differentiation. Afterwards again you do x cube. That's all. Okay. Simple. D by dx of e power x cube is equal to e power x cube. Why? Because we have taken like t by dx of e power x. Then e power x has come into d by dx of x cube. Okay. D by dx e power x cube means first of all like e power x you take. D by dx of e power x is e power x into d by dx of x cube. That is equal to, see, x cube is what? 3x square into e power x cube. Is it okay? Yes, definitely okay. 3x square. E power x cube into 3x square, 3x square into e power x cube, both are same, but you take this first, this next. Okay. Now here there is no control in domain. You can give anything domain. Why? Because 0 if you give, minus 1 if you give, up to infinity, anything you can give. That is why you need not write domain. X belongs to something like. Okay. Let us go for fourth question. Okay. See the fourth question. Differentiate sine of tan inverse e power minus x. You see here how many functions are there. Sin x is one function, tan inverse x is one function, e power minus x is one function, minus x is one function. Please keep in our mind. E power x means directly you can do e power x. But e power minus x means that we will see. We will see what will come under. Okay. Okay. See, now let us proceed from left to right. D by dx of sine of tan inverse e power minus x is equal to d by dx of sine x cos x. Cos of tan inverse of e power minus x into d by dx of tan inverse e power minus x. Is it okay? Then you proceed further. Okay, write down. That is equal to cos tan inverse is same. Repeat. D by dx of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. 1 by 1 plus x square. X is what here? E power minus x whole square. Is it correct? Okay. Now again d by dx of e power minus x. Okay. Like that you have to write. Okay. Now you see here, shall I write this in numerator, this in denominator? Okay. Cos of tan inverse e power minus x divided by 1 plus, shall I write e power minus 2x? Why? Because e power minus x into whole power 2 means e power minus 2x. Shall I write this? Definitely write. Okay, now you see e power minus x means, you see how I am doing. First of all, like e power x you take, d by dx of e power x is e power x. E power x means e power minus x. Again d by dx of minus x. Why? Because see, d by dx of e power x is e power x. D by dx of e power minus x means Minus of e power minus x you have to write. Now you see d by dx of minus x is minus 1 will come. Minus 1 you take out. Okay. See what I am doing now. That is equal to, this will give minus 1. Dx going to get cancelled, minus 1 will come. Minus e power minus x. Minus and e power minus x I am taking out. Okay. And they are not required to make bracket. I think bracket here you have to keep. Then cos tan inverse e power minus x, okay, divided by 1 plus e power minus 2x. Is it okay? This portion has come top, numerator, minus e power minus x cos tan inverse e power minus x divided by 1 plus 2 power plus. Okay. Now you see, here domain, any restriction is there, you think of just, why? Because here, this is exponential function. Exponential function e value we know 2.718, and even exponential function graph also we know. This is the graph for e power 1. Y is equal to e power x. You see, this is x is 0, but y is 1. Not 1 0, 0 1. Okay. That means you see, x for exponential function, x you can give negative also, positive also, 0 also. There is no restriction. You understand? That is why here you need not keep anything. Why? Because here, if you give 0, negative, positive, all, but nothing is going to happen. Infinity, undefined are not going to come. That is why this you can keep like this only. This type of concepts and all you can understand by seeing graph. Okay. Let us proceed for fifth question. Okay. Okay. See the fifth question. Differentiate with respect to x is common. Log of cos e power x. Here also three functions are there. You see log x, cos x, e power x. Okay. Let us do. We know this procedure very well. How to do? Okay. D by dx log x 1 by x. Okay. First of all, write out d by dx of log of cos e power x is equal to, I will take this cos e power x as x. D by dx log x 1 by x. 1 by cos e power x. Okay. Into d by dx of cos e power x. Is it okay? Next proceed further. This 1 by cos x e power x like that only keep. D by dx of cos e power x means take this as d by dx of cos x first. E power x as x you can imagine. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. That means into minus sin e power x. Okay. Again d by dx of e power x. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. Now write down that is equal to, you see minus sin e power x numerator and denominator I will take. Minus sin e power x, denominator is cos e power x. Okay. Now you tell me d by dx of e power x, e power x, that's all. Into e power x. Okay. Finally, how can you write this? Sin by cos, can you write tan? Definitely you can write tan. Write it down. Minus e power x, I am taking my e power x to top for front. Tan e power x. Why? Because there is no cos denominator. Sin by cos, tan will have taken. Okay. Now you imagine, can you restrict any domain here? Think. Definitely you can restrict domain. Why? Because tan means sin by x. Cos should not become 0 here. You see what I am writing here? Again for cos. This is circle diagram for cos. Okay. Plus plus minus minus 1 minus 1 0 0. That means cos here both 0 it is going to become. What are those? 4n plus 1 pi by 2, 4n plus 3 pi by 2. Together are going to become 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, write down. Should not be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. What is this should not equal x? No, e power x, you see. E power x. E power x should not become 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Not x, e power x. E power x should not become 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay? Like this you can write and close. Let us go for sixth question. Okay. See, differentiate e power x plus e power x square plus e power x cube plus e power x to the power of 4 plus e power x to the power of 5 with respect to 2x. Okay, that is the meaning of this. Again, you see, 1, 2. 2 terms are there here. Total 5 terms. 1, e power x1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have to differentiate this. We can do it easily. This is not a complex. First, you have to take e power x as one function. Again, x power something as another function like. Okay, let us do. See what I am writing. D by dx of e power x plus d by dx of e power x square plus d by dx of e power x cube plus d by dx of e power x to the power of 4 plus d by dx of e power x to the power of 5. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Okay, now proceed. D by dx of e power x is e power x only plus d by dx of e power x square means what you are going to do? First of all, you take this as e power x. D by dx of e power x is e power x. E power x. Again, d by dx of x square. Is it okay? Why? Because e power x, again that x plus e power x cube, again d by dx of x cube plus e power x to the power of 4, again d by dx of x to the power of 4 plus e power x to the power of 5, again d by dx of x to the power of 5. You understand? Okay? Okay, now write down again. What is going to happen? E power x is e power x only plus, you see, here d by dx of x square is 2x. Shall I write 2x first? Okay? Why? Because 2x e power x square, like that I want to write. 2x into e power x square. Why? Because d by dx of x square is 2x into e power x2. Okay? Write down. Plus 3x square into e power x cube plus 4x cube into e power x to the power of 4 plus 5x to the power of 4 into e power x to the power of 5. Is it okay? Okay, this is okay. But you see here also domain restriction is not there. Why? Because this is exponential functions. E power x means anything you can give x. Okay, negative value, positive value, 0, all you can give. If you give 0, 1 v2 is going to become e power 0 means 1. If negative value gives also, but slightly up to 0 it is going to come, but it is not going to touch the 0. Even it becomes 0 also, no problem, but this is not going to become 0. Why? Because all numerators only, denominator is not there. Okay. Let us proceed for 7th question. Okay. See, the 7th question, understand carefully. Differentiate square root of e power root x with respect to 2x. Where x is greater than 0. This is very important. You see here what they have written. Okay. Why? Because see, x is 0, automatically this is going to become 0. E power 0 is 1. Root 1 is 1. There is no requirement to do differentiation. D by dx of 1 is 0. Okay. That is one thing. Another thing. If x is less than 0, minus root will not be there. Complex root will become. That is why we cannot do differentiation complex. We know only real numbers only. Okay, that is why x is greater than 0 only they have already written. Okay, you understand it carefully. Let us proceed. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, write down. D by dx of square root of e power root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 this I will take root x. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, this is 2 into root x. Okay, into d by dx of x, see e power root x. Okay, now I will take this as e power x. D by dx of e power x is what? E power x, that's all. That means you write first of all e power x by 2 square root of e power root x into again d by dx of root x. Is it correct? Well, because first I have taken root x, 1 by 2 root x, again d by dx of inside x. Inside x means e power root x. Now it has become e power x like d by dx of e power x. This is there already. Okay. Then again this x, d by dx of root x. Okay. Like this you have to proceed. Okay, let us proceed further. E power root x, okay, divided by 2 into root of e power root x. This is also okay. Into d by dx of root x, 1 by 2 root x. Now differentiation is over, but you have to adjust this. How to adjust and all I am showing you, see. E power root x numerator is like this only. But see 2 into 2, 4. See x also under root and e power root x also under root. Shall I keep both in one root? X e power root x. Is it okay? Now you see. Definitely okay. E power root x by 4x e power root x. Okay. See, x is under root, again total under root. 2 times root is there. Okay. This x is only one root. Now you tell me what is the controlling domain? Numerator there is no control. Why? Because here you can give negative also. Sorry, negative you cannot give. That is why. That means x should be greater than 0 here also. If x is negative means what is going to become? Not real root will come. Okay. Here also you see. X is not G. See, if it is 0, automatically this is going to make 0. This is going to become 1. E power 0 is 1. But this is going to become 0. 0 root is 0 and 0 undefined. That is why x is greater than 0 like you write. Okay. X is greater than 0. That's all. Any number x is greater than 0 if you give, this is valid. Okay. Already they have given, but even then after answer also have to check. Shall we go for 8th question? Okay. Okay. See 8th question. Differentiate log of log x with respect to x where x is greater than 1. Okay. See in question whatever they have given we will see afterwards. Let us proceed first. Answer. After answer again we will discuss. Okay. Let us proceed further. Let us proceed further. D by dx of log x is equal to, you see, you take this log x as x. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. 1 by log x into d by dx of log x. This log x. Is it okay? D by dx of log x is equal to, I will take this as x. D by dx of log x. 1 by x. 1 by this log x. D by dx of again this log x. Is it okay? Definitely okay. You see, log d by dx of log x is again 1 by x. This is 1 by x into again already log x is there. 1 by x log x. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now you tell me what domain you are going to give. Okay. See, if you give x is greater than 0, automatically log 1 is going to become 0. 0 into something is 0. Here is 1 only. Why? Because you are giving 1. X is 1. Greater than 0 if you give. Okay. Log 1 is going to become 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 by 0 is undefined. That is why x is greater than 1 he has given. You understand now? If x is greater than 1 means it is never going to become 0. Always this function is going to come. This function. Okay. That is why again you write x is greater than 1. Okay. Now you tell me again, you go back. Here question also x is greater than 0 you can write, but only log x is means x is greater than 0. But here log of log x is there. If you write x is greater than 0, here if log 1, again 0 it is going to become log 0. Log 0 we don't know. Why? Because log 0 we don't give. We give greater than 0 only. That is why here they have given x is greater than 1 like. You understand? Like that you have to understand. Let us proceed for 9th question. Okay. See the question, 9th question. Differentiate cos x by log x with respect to x. Okay. Condition is x is greater than 0. They have given. But you see here, if x is greater than 0 means x you can give 1. If you give log 1, then 0 it is going to become. Something by 0 undefined. That is why I want to keep this as x is greater than 1. Is it correct first you think? Okay. Or else x is greater than 0 but x is not equal to 1, you have to write. At x is equal to 1, log 1 is going to become 0. Okay. Log 1 to the base 10 also 0, log 1 to the base e also 0 at x is equal to 1. Okay. That is why I want to change this as x is greater than 1. Okay. Let us proceed now. D by dx of u by v like. D by dx of cos x by log x is equal to v log x d by dx of u cos x minus u cos x d by dx of v log x. Log x whole square, v square means log x whole square. Okay. Okay, now proceed. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Shall I write minus sin x first? Minus sin x log x. Is it okay? D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x into log x. I have written. Okay. Minus. This cos x you write. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. That means cos x by x, right? Log x whole square. Okay. See, cos x by x you cross multiply. Minus x sin x log x minus cos x. X 1 divided by x divided by x divided by x. But this log x square also along with x I can write. You know it very well. Is it okay? See what I want to say. A by B by C is equal to A by BC. Okay. Why? Because see A by B by C by 1 like you think. A by B into 1 by C. That means A by BC. Okay. Like this I have written here. Okay. Okay. Shall I take minus common there? Take minus common. Minus if you take common, x sin x log x plus cos x. Why plus? Already I have taken minus outside. Divided by x log x whole square. Okay. Now again you see what domain you can give. Here domain in numerator denominator both matters. Why? Because here also log x is there. That means for negative log x should not be given. But here you can give 1. Even if you give 1 also log x is going to become 0. This is going to become 0 and cos 0 is 1. Numerator is 1. You see It may be 0 or minus or plus. That is different case, numerator. But it should exist. Log minus x you cannot give. Okay, that is why x is greater than 0, we know. But if it comes here, x is greater than 0, but x is greater than 1, you have to write. X is greater than 0, you can write. Even if 0 comes also, for here no problem. For denominator, if here x is greater than 0, you have written, like examiner given. But you have given 1. Log 1 is 0. 0 square, 0. 0 into x, 0. Something by 0, undefined. That is what you are going to write. You are going to write x is greater than 1. Or else, x is greater than 0, but x is not equal to 1. Both are correct. But this bracket I am not keeping. Why? Because you are going to get confusion again. X is greater than 0, but x is not equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means what will come? Log 1 is 0. 0. Something by 0. Undefined. Undefined case we have to avoid. Okay. That is why you write x is greater than 1. Okay. Let us proceed for 10th question. Okay. See the 10th question. This will be last question for this class. Differentiate cos of log x plus e power x. See, cos of x you can take first, then again you take this u plus v. U is log x plus e means e power x. Okay, like that you can do. With respect to x, this is common. But if you observe carefully here, x is greater than 0, they have given. Okay. X is 1 means this is going to become 0. This is going to become 1. 0 plus 1. 1. Cos 1. Cos 1 is valid. Okay. This is valid. Why? Because here denominators are not there. That is why x is greater than 0 means it is valid. Even if you give 1 also, there is no problem. Okay. That you keep to understand. We will see after getting answer. Again for answer any domain we have to change or not, like that we will see. Okay. Let us proceed. D by dx of cos of log x plus e power x is equal to, okay, d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x log x plus e power x. Again d by dx of x. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now proceed further. Minus sin x minus sin log x plus e power x is like this only. D by dx of log x. You see, d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Okay. Plus d by dx of e power x is e power x. Log x is 1 by x e power x. So what I want to do, I want to rewrite this. Rewrite this. I want to write front. Minus of 1 by x plus e power x into sin log x plus e power x. Is it okay? Minus 1 by x plus e power x into sin of log x e power x. Like this we have given. Okay. Now you think. Shall I write x is greater than 0? Here also log x is not in denominator. In numerator only is there. Log x is greater than 0 means log 1 also 0, it is going to become, this is e power n. E will come. That means 1, this is 0 plus e will come. But sign of 0 or something, see, for input sign anything you can do, that is not a case. Here also you see 1 if comes also, greater than 0 I am talking about. 1 comes also, there is no problem. 1 comes also, there is no problem. Okay, greater than 0 if I take it. Okay, if it is less than 0 you cannot give. Why? Because here this function is not going to accept. Log function less than 0 should not be, greater than 0 only. Here also, that means here denominator 0 is not coming, any denominator is not there. That is why what you can do, you can write x is greater than 0. That's what I wanted to say. Okay. Okay. See, we have finished this 5.4 exercise. We will stop this class here. We will go for 5.5 concepts in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.